So the women's final is underway. It's between Jackie Hawkes and Shelley Kitchen. Shelley the first seed, Jackie the second seed. Referee and marker preparing for the game. Jan Makara is the referee, and there's Shelley coming onto the court. Shelley Kitchen has...
This is the women's final of the Sleepyhead National Championships 2006 between Shelley Kitchen and Jackie Hawkes. Kitchen to serve. Best of 5 games. Level.
I was about to say that Shelley has had a wonderful rise in her world status this season. She's performed exceptionally well, and after this tournament is off to the British Open, and of course we all wish her well in that.
And out. Level.
An uncharacteristic error there from Shelley hitting the tin, unforced, but always sort of a lot of settling in the first few rallies of the match. Both players have had a relatively easy road through until the quarterfinals. Shelley had a relatively easy win in her semi-final, I should say.
Yes, let. Level.
Beating Joelle King in 3 straight games. It was a relatively short game.
Down. Level.
Jackie Hawkes having a slightly tougher time getting through against Louise Crome, going to 4 games, very close, hard-fought match. (6-1) is the score.
Down. 7-1.
That ball catching the top of the tin, giving the point to Shelley.
Down.
Another
8-1,
mistake,
game ball.
giving game ball to Shelley Kitchen. Shelley's playing some really good attacking squash here, keeping the pressure
Game
on.
Kitchen. 9-1.
You'll notice
8-love.
You'll notice that Shelley keeps her opponents well to the back of the court whenever she can. Gives you the advantage when you control the front of the court. She achieves that by playing a really good tight length along the wall. And she's certainly romped away in this one. It's 8-love.
And out. Love 8.
Lovely drop shot at the front there from Jackie Hawkes, well picked up, lobbed back to the back by Shelley Kitchen.
Straight Kitchen. Hand out. 8-love. Game ball.
Jackie Hawkes playing the ball at herself, Shelley not playing it, asking for a let, and gets given the point by the referee.
Down. Game Kitchen. 9-love. She leads 2 games to love.
Shelley Kitchen has certainly made the first 2 games look very easy. 9-1 and 9-love on court for the 3rd game. This is the women's final in the 2006 New Zealand Championships.
One love.
Jackie under huge pressure in that rally. She was at the back of the court for most of the rally, and of course when you get to the front you go for the winner, and you may not be quite ready for it. Caught the top of the tin with that one.
And out, love one.
That was a nice boast, a boast when you play it off the side wall onto the front wall. Tight drive.
And out, one love.
Jackie Hawkes growling at herself there for missing what was a relatively easy shot. Tight, but it was well within reach. In the face by Shelley's racket, Jackie came back onto the court and lost almost the first 5 points in quite close succession, but she seems to be coming back now. Seems to have tightened her game up and playing a little bit harder.
And out, 6-1.
No sooner said than she plays a weak shot just above the tin and hands the service back to Shelley Kitchen. 6-1 in the final of the Sleepyhead New Zealand Championships 2006. Shelley Kitchen, number 1 seed. Jackie Hawkes, the number 2 seed.
Down, hand out, 1-6.
An uncharacteristic, unforced error there. A volley into the top of the tin from Shelley. It's 1-6. I'm sensing a
2-6.
I'm sensing a higher level of play here from Jackie Hawkes, a higher level of commitment.
Down, 3-6.
And just suddenly she's back in the game. 3-6. Couple of errors from Shelley. She looks as though she's not concentrating the way she was earlier in the match.
4-6 from the left.
Again, that was a relatively easy shot that Shelley flicked out of court. She's going to have to pull her concentration back. Nice shot.
5-6.
Close to the top of the tin, straight into the nick where the wall meets the floor, and it just died. Jackie managing to get Shelley to the back of the court a little bit more in this game.
And out, 6-5.
But it's 6-5. Kitchen punishes any loose ball.
And out, 5-6.
That was a nice tight drop shot from Jackie. Shelley did well to pick that up and flick it to the back of the court.
Down, 6-all.
So Jackie playing that one to a really good length. She'd moved in the wrong direction that time, Jackie, but she's done well to come back to 7. Critical rally, it's match ball. Unfortunate, but Jan Makara has awarded a stroke, and quite rightly so, for interference. And so it's Shelley Kitchen that wins the final of the Sleepyhead New Zealand Squash Open, 9-1, 9-love, 9-7.